So the diversity scholarship was something that I learned about with Ms. Cumberbatch, who was my advisor when I first started here. And if I can be completely honest, I was thinking, how can I afford to go to college? The job that I had was barely helping me get by.
When I first came to school, it was just to get by. I really just wanted a way to get out, actually. I didn't even want to fight with the city and try to fight for my rights. I just wanted an out.
Everything that I've learned at SLU, I have been able to apply to the work that I do on the grounds. My first year here was at the height of BLM and the Mutual Aid Network, and professors like Atto and Santi were on the ground, like teaching us what it means to organize.
I love having a voice, and SLU gave me that. SLU gave me the opportunity to, and empowered me. I've never had so much backing. I never felt like I had a tribe like this before. Never felt like people gave a damn. I mean, people even asking me, so how's work? Everyone knew what I was dealing with when I started at work. And damn near everybody rejoiced and celebrated with me when I got out of that place and got that other job. I just love this place.